Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are passing by, please do well to subscribe for more videos like this. On this channel we do natural hair tips that grow your hair long and healthy. Today we'll be taking a look at how to use this mask to grow your hair. And please do well to subscribe if you are new. So our first ingredient we'll be using is avocado. Avocado is one of the best products that you can use on your hair. It's one of the best natural products you can introduce into your hair. You have to use the ripe one. If you use the hard one, it's not going to be very effective because it cannot really blend well. So you have to use the very soft one, something that your blender can blend. So we use avocado, and I scoop out the fruit into a blender because I'll be blending my avocado. Why do you use avocado for your hair? So avocado smooths the hair and boosts the shine. Avocado contains potassium, which promotes hair growth. Our next ingredient is aloe vera. You guys know very well that I like using aloe vera for my hair. I really like it. I always call aloe vera a cash crop because aloe vera has so many benefits. You can use it to make your oil, you can use it to make a gel, as a detangler, you can use it as a mask. There are so many things you can use aloe vera for. In this video we'll be mixing aloe vera gel with our avocado to blend together. So I get my fresh aloe vera plant. You can get some at the market, or if you have a garden with aloe vera, you can just take one of the stem, or I don't know whether it's a branch, I think it's a stem, and then you scoop out the juice. The gel in it is very nutritious for the hair. Some people take aloe vera, they consume aloe vera, and it has so many benefits. Just that it's very bitter, and you have to know how to go about it. So I take out the gel in my aloe vera and then add it to my avocado. I'll be doing a protein treatment, and a protein treatment should always contain egg because egg is full of protein. Egg is protein. If you want to mention the basic thing that has protein, is egg. I also add olive oil in order just to add some shine to my mask. I just don't want my mask to be dull. You can decide to add olive oil, coconut oil, or any oil of your choice, and blend it to a smooth paste. If you leave some residue in your avocado, you are going to have the residue in your hair, and you're not going to like it because you find it very difficult washing it out of your hair. So depending on the volume of your hair, the quantity of your hair, the thickness of your hair, then you know the mask to use. This is too much for me, so I divided it into two. So guys, this is my hair. You can see how dry my hair is. I haven't washed my hair and haven't moisturized it for a week now. I only wear my wig and then off to work. You know how wigs have saved us these days. We only put it on and then we go back to work. When we come back from work, we forget to moisturize the hair. But so far so good. My hair has been healthy because I've introduced a lot of natural ingredients to my hair, and this mixture, avocado, aloe vera, egg, and olive oil, is going to add extreme growth. It's going to make my hair grow faster than it has already grown. My hair was 1 year in April, and I really appreciate it. My hair was 1 year in April, and I am so appreciative of the length I have received so far. So now let's get into it. I start by spritzing some water into my hair. I usually use herbal spray. I boil some herbs together and sieve them, but I have run out of herbal spray. That is why I'm using water to spray it on my hair. You'll do this just to moisturize the hair a bit so that the hair can absorb the mask that you put inside it. Guys, I can't admire my hair enough. My hair has really grown enough, and I like it, and I'm hoping for more length in the years to come. I'm always saying that my edges is a work in progress. Guys, can you see my edges is growing? When I look back at my previous videos, my edges were really diminished, they were really finishing. Because of my edges, I don't like braids, and also because I have to go to work, I have to put on wigs, and wigs really dry out the edges, and they don't make the edges grow. But I prefer my edges not growing than my edges removing from braids. So this is my mask, and make sure you apply a generous amount. Be generous about the mask because the growth is for you. When your hair grows, it's growing for you. Don't forget your scalp, and don't forget your hair itself. Don't forget the strands, and don't forget the hair itself. When you finish, you realize how curly your curls will be defined. Like there'll be a lot of curls in your hair. And I think you should do this at least once in 2 weeks or once in a month, depending on what best works for you. Natural hair is like trial and error. You try something, it doesn't work for you. You try it again, still doesn't work for you. You throw it somewhere. You try another thing, it works for you. You try again, it works for you. You incorporate it into your hair care regimen. And that is what I've done. I tried avocado alone, it worked for me. I tried aloe vera alone, it worked for me. So I then mixed the two, and then I'm using it for my hair. And it is going to guarantee a lot of growth because I'm adding protein to my hair and I'm deep conditioning the hair. Now let's talk about some benefits of avocado for the hair. Let me now discuss the benefits of avocado for the hair. Avocado is a great source of biotin, and it also contains B complex, and introducing avocado into your hair helps your hair to grow. Avocado contains potassium and magnesium, which seal cuticle cells, which can help hair look smooth and shiny and prevent it from breaking. I have tried avocado on my hair before, and I really liked how my hair really shrunk. Natural hair, the shrinkage means a lot to us. We don't really care about the length, even though it's very important. But when your hair shrinks, it's a guarantee that your hair is healthy. After you introduce avocado into your hair, after you steam your hair with avocado, you realize how shrinky or how your hair will be able to shrink. You can decide to do this treatment at least once in 2 weeks or once in a month, depending on what you think your hair needs. If you think your hair needs some moisture, you can just decide to do again. And also, not forgetting, you can use avocado to make avocado oil. It's very beneficial. Next thing, let's talk about aloe vera. So aloe vera, as I said earlier in my earlier video, I said aloe vera is a cash crop. It's a cash crop because it has several benefits. Let's get back to this video. After I applied it throughout my hair, I go ahead and steam my hair. You know why I like steaming my hair? Because steaming the hair opens the cuticles or opens the pores of the hair and helps the product or the natural ingredients penetrate into the hair. I do this for about 15 minutes and then come back, remove it, and I felt how soft my hair had become. Like my hair really became very soft because the avocado had been able to penetrate into the pores of my scalp and also the hair strands. Try your best to apply the avocado throughout the hair, like all the parts of the hair. I go ahead to shampoo and condition my hair, and bingo, I return with black shrinky hair. Like my hair is really shrinky. My hair has become moist, like I've put some moisture in the hair. This is after I haven't added any products, right from the shower, my shampoo and my conditioner. I come here and this is how my hair is looking like. So guys, yes, I am doing the LCO method, the liquid, the cream, and then the oil method. I used to do the liquid and oil alone, but I realized my hair doesn't really moisturize because I have a high porous hair. My hair loses moisture very fast. So now I do the LCO method, the liquid, the cream, and then the oil. So guys, yes, I'll be using shea butter and my herbal oil. Herbal oil is oil I made myself and it's in stock. When you're interested, just hit me up. If you take a good look at my hair, you notice how it has been able to absorb a lot of moisture and it's shrinking. Like it's a shrinkage that I want you guys to really pay attention to. I put in the cream and then the oil, and then twist my hair, and that's it. I'm done for the day, or I'm done for the week. I am doing this for this week, and then the following week I'll do another treatment for hair growth. So yes, introduce this into your hair. Try this for yourself and see how your hair responds to it. If your hair likes it, please add it to your hair regimen. If your hair doesn't like it, I think you should try it about 2 or 3 times and be certain. Do it well the next time and be certain your hair likes it, and know and be sure what your hair feels about it. So I'll be ending here for today. I'll be twisting the rest of my hair and I'm enjoying it. Let me finish the benefits of avocado, aloe vera, and egg for the hair. So aloe vera for the hair, as I said earlier, aloe vera is a cash crop. It controls greasy hair and it helps an itchy scalp. If you have an itchy scalp, aloe vera is very, very important for you. Aloe vera promotes hair growth and is a key ingredient in my herbal oil. Aloe vera strengthens the hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. So please, if you have aloe vera at your backyard, please make use of it. It also thickens the hair. It's one of the best things to apply to your hair for growth stimulation, and it also acts as a thickening agent. So please introduce aloe vera into your hair regimen and you will not regret it. You will not regret it. After washing your hair, you can decide to use a leave-in conditioner. I don't have a leave-in conditioner because I don't know. I think I don't need it. I will say I don't need it until I have a need for it. I'll get some. So yes, and then egg also contains a lot of protein for the hair. So please guys, try this home remedy. You can do this once in a week or once in 2 weeks. If you are very busy, once in a month is fine. Let me know what you think about this video. If you've been with me from day one, you notice that my hair has really grown. If you haven't been with me from day one, you can just go back to my old videos and see for yourself the progress I have made so far, how my hair has grown in less than a year. I'll be ending here for today. Let me know what you think about this video. Is this something you'll be trying yourself at home? And also, have you tried it before? What was the results? Do well to subscribe if you're new. After this, I'll be twisting my whole hair off camera, because if I decide to do all this on camera, I'm going to sleep at 1 a.m. So I'll be twisting my whole hair off camera and then go to bed. Till next time, bye.